Yo, yo, it's working. Yo, yo, what's going on, guys? Actually, that's not gonna work. What is going on, guys? Gonna catch some dubs this morning. What's good? What's good? Let me know if you guys could hear me, see my video, all that. That looks good. Can't hear you. Let me send the YouTube link. Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? I'm probably just not talking, but can you guys hear me now? That's good. Good morning. You guys can't hear me? Mic check, mic check. Can you guys hear me now? Interesting. What's up, Vex? Yeah, I don't know what's up with Discord sometimes. It'd be bugging. But yeah, let's catch some trade, guys. I'm pretty bearish on all assets right now. NQ's kind of not so bearish, but you see it over here on ES and even YM, we're very bearish. I like this 15-minute inversion that we made. We'll see how that works out. It's from your end, I hear him. What's up? What's up? Watch YouTube. Hear me. Here we go. Here we go. All right. We're retracing a little bit. So far, what have we had this morning? We swept out the highs right here. In terms of like the higher time frame, we have the 4-hour, which is supporting our bearish bias. Coming down to the lower time frame, not really much going on, but we'll definitely find some entries in here. But overall, 15-minute looks very bearish. I'm kind of interested in just taking a short off this 15-minute. That would be a killer. Looks like NQ though might hold us back, so I'm gonna be patient here. No. do we gonna see when he is gonna take a trade? Of course, Conrad. You are gonna see when I take a trade. But I'm not like Mamba. I don't take a bunch of scalp trades. I take one or two high quality trades, and if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's my style. I don't know what's going on, guys. Let me try disconnecting really quick. Yo yo. Let me see if it works now. Hello? Naveen joined the kingdom today. It might not be your style. Working now? Awesome. Yeah, I don't know what was going on before. Let's check out this lower time frame on ES. So I'm probably gonna take a trade more likely on ES, guys. Normally, we trade NQ, but we're not as bearish on NQ. So right now would be the perfect time to be trading ES. Have a potential inversion right here. We have the supporting 15-minute inversion already created. So what time is it? Okay. If we have a clean closure right here, I will go short, guys. If we have a clean closure. Stop loss could be like 60. Yeah, for sure. Some people like the way that Mamba trade. Holy Lag Hospital. No clean closure, guys. No entry. No entry yet. What's ES? S&P 500 futures. ES is just a ticker. Just a ticker symbol, so that's what you put in to search for it. And that's why I use his support and resistance, and it's around my own. Interesting. What do you guys think about ISM services PMI? Well, we should get, if we don't get an entry right now, we should get an entry after that. So playing it very patient this morning. Yo, what's good, Rudy? How you been? It's been a while. Pay that light bill. That's right. What are we looking for? Sells or buys? We're looking for sells. I have a bearish bias. How many pips for $200 stop loss? I would recommend right around like 5 or 6 micros for ES. On a 50K? Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, that for sure should be fine. Say that, yes, that's right. Brando? No, I'm more interested in shorts, man. NQ is kind of doing its own thing right now. But if you look at like US 30 and ES, we're clearly like bearish. So I see no reason to be long. kind of sideways right now though, so we'll see. We got 5 more minutes until our red folder, and that should have a pretty decent effect on price action. How was your guys's Monday yesterday? I know we had a break even trade, kind of went in profit. Bias was right, just trade was not clean at all. Past your 50K. So head over to obviously the legacy dashboard. Go to your metrics on that account that you passed, which you probably have to just scroll down a little bit. Find the metrics, and then on there, when you click it, there should, inside there, when you're looking at the stats, there should be like an activate button, and then it'll prompt you to like pay the activation fee, and that's it. What is it called on Trade Locker? I believe US 500 is S&P. US 500 I think is ES, I believe. Have a nice little inversion right here, but I do want to, of course, play this very patient, not just get into whatever. SPX 500, I think that's right. Nice closures overall so far. We'll see if this leads to anything. Got about 3 minutes till that red folder hits. We watching the new 4 hour candle? Oh shoot. I just closed out my tab. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's see how we're looking on the 4 hour. This one does indeed close in the next 2 minutes. It looks good. It looks very bearish for our bias. It looks very bearish. So that's perfect. Looks like we're about to roll over. We'll see. We will see. News trading restrictions. Getting pretty volatile already. See what happens. Think, what does PMI have to do with? Assuming something with inflation. Indicates industry expansion. All right, guys, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I think it's gonna be a little hectic. If you below funded account, do I have to do the eval again? I believe we have funded account resets. Wow. Okay, well, we did. We just ripped this way. We'll see how that works out. Hopefully, we just like wick out right here. We'll see. Very interesting morning so far. Let's see what NQ is doing. Actually, kind of a good sign. We have a SMT divergence. If we do want to go short. Yeah, let's see. The 4 hour already closed. Yeah, I did. It looks more, the 4 hour looks more bullish on NQ than it does on ES. I don't know. All I know is I'm not gonna force anything. I'm sorry, I'm newish. Is short, sell, and long buy? Yes, correct. What's good, crew? Lol, trendline bounce. No worries. Dude, I don't think I want to touch. I don't think I want to touch gold. It's been nice to me, but that looks like some, like the setup is bearish, but I think we might run through these highs. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch. I'm not gonna touch gold today. I already looked at it this morning and I said, nah, forget that. Brian, I suggest you get another 50K. Yeah, bro. I don't know. I mean, I don't really like. I guess I technically do follow trendline liquidity, but I feel like overall, like the conditions and like what's going on around the world, it feels more bearish. So we might get a double closure right here. I'm gonna go short, guys, if we get a double closure right here below these two fair value gaps. That's very rare. It's very rare occurrence. Very nice setup if we do. Oh, I'm in. We'll see what happens, guys. All right. I am entered. Currently retracing a little bit. But again, Very beautiful setup when you get two fair value gaps, you get the full inversion away across the entire thing. Um, we'll see how this works out. Can you take me under your wing for this payout? 16K profit, bro? Bro, your consistency is through the roof, though. I suggest you get another 150K. Nah, 50K is where it's at. Well, hopefully we start going into profit soon. This is beautiful setup. It just didn't work out. It might work out. We might start pulling back into these lows. I think we could run through these lows. We'll see. Nah, Ghost of Stacks though, like you're up 16K by your consistency. Like, what's your plan with that? Genuinely. Ah, looks like we got ran through. Which market is CME? CME is CME. It's a futures data provider. Loading negative 250. I could have had my stop like 2 notches higher, I guess. You got a 50K eval. Interesting. Well, you know how to run it up at least. Yeah, that's rough. Small loss on my end too. No, I mean no one's winning today. We're sideways the last couple hours. Yeah, it's rough. Very nice setup, just did not work out. No worries, Mikey. I'll be here 5 days a week if you need me. Hey Chris, for the 5 winning days if I lost. Um so in terms of the winning days, you have to end the day up the amount which I believe is 200, right? And it's okay if you like have a losing day. They don't have to be consecutive. Full porting for that payout. Yeah, it happens. I don't know how to say your name. Ron hosted. Can you explain why I thought it was going to be bearish? Very, very valid question. So on the 4 hour, we have a 4 hour fair value gap, right? And prior to this, I'll show you like the effects we've had with the 4 hour. Looking at this 4 hour right here, this rejection, we came down, did not fully continue, but you still see the effect of the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, coming into the 4 hour fair value gap, huge move from that one. 4 hours very effective at creating like a bias, having a big market effect on the higher time frame. Going down to some of the lower time frames, our entry we had this bearish fair value gap, which rightfully so, and let me delete some of this so it's not as messy. Rightfully so, it came down, had a nice little effect. We had these bullish fair value gaps, which now became inverted at the low. Once we had that closure, it was very, very quick move. That's exactly what you want to see. This is an A+ setup. I will take this setup 20 times over again and it'll work out, but it just didn't work out this time. And I believe the reason why is, as a whole, this day is kind of choppy. We're technically in a big range right here, so that's my reasoning. And if you want to go long, then you go long, but that's not my style of trading, and that's not what got me this 150K funded that I'm trading with right now. So that's the way I'm doing it. You're reporting for the payout. Interesting. Like, I'm not trying to brag, but I guess what I'm trying to say is I have the receipts that show that I could get funded, get payouts, and the way that I do that is by trading the way that I do. And if I traded any other way, then it would be terrible. It would not work out. So I just gotta continue to do what I'm doing. You're hosting this call. Exactly. Exactly. How you been, Rudy? I haven't seen you on here in a bit. Argue with your granny. That's right. Good. Been busy? Nice, bro. Hope everything's been well. We'll go follow them stuff. We'll go smooth for weeks. That's right. Follow your plan. You'll be chilling. And you said keep trading till the next day that I had to turn double because that was the question. That's right, cocinero. Um, if you make 100% of your profit target in a single day, you have to make another 100%. So you have to get it to 50%. That is correct. Let's take a look at gold. See what's gold doing now. I know there's like not much structure, honestly. The last couple hours been kind of sideways. But this 5-minute fair value gap was very nice. Go up to the higher time frame. That's funny that everyone thought gold was going to be extremely bullish, and we've been nothing but bearish. So, honest question, don't you think in order for it to be a bearish confirmation, it should have taken out the previous low? No, actually, it's usually the opposite. Um, You want lows to be left. You want price to come up and sweep out a high and then have those lows as a target. Same like idea right here on gold. You come up, you sweep out highs. You got fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap. We respected all of these 5-minute fair value gaps. That's what we would have wanted to see on NASDAQ and ES, but sometimes it doesn't happen. And then you have all the lows to target. That's exactly what you want to see. That's right. When you have lows taken out, you now become bullish instead of bearish. But yeah, I mean, I don't think I was wrong. I think they're sideways. Like we're not really like moving anywhere at all. So it is what it is. And Ghost of Stacks got that bank though. That 16K in the bank. Just gotta extract it. Yo, George, are you still in the chat? Um, we might need to move the interview back to Friday if that's cool. Same time. Cause I might be heading out to Lucas tomorrow, possibly. And I just don't want it to be like rushed or hectic. Yeah, let's do it Friday, same time. That should be better overall. Awesome. Am I your mate? Did I upgrade to that role? 50 micros in 5 days. On day 5 with Mamba is how you got it. Just like bro in the UK. You catch the open, you don't, and I double clicked and I want that interview gonna be generational. So it goes to stacks. Something that me and Mark are doing is we're doing our own interviews with people. And so it's not necessarily affiliated with Legacy. Obviously we met you through Legacy, but my mate over here, George, is first to go up. But if you're interested in doing a little interview talking about your story, that'd be awesome. Yeah, it's gonna be a full send interview. And then part of the interview though is like if you have a funded account, you have to full port it with us during the interview. Like that's part of it. And like so George already signed up for this, but so he could learn to be a good trader also. That's right. Yo, get me in. See, we got some people interested. Gold buy? No, sir. I'm not buying gold. I mean, gold was bound to move. Whoever said gold looks bearish right now was right. He's whoever said I forgot who said it at the top right here was right. Good work. Nice, Green Boss. Alright, guys. It's almost time for me to go. Because I don't plan on taking another trade. But take a look at what's to come. Unemployment claims, NFP. Usually the day before NFP were a little bit consolidated, but we'll see. Next week have some more beautiful red folders, CPI, unemployment claims. It's gonna be a good couple weeks. Up 800 on the day, nice. And go wait for that A plus. Yes, sir. Gotta wait for the A plus setup. Waldy, no, I don't plan on taking any more trades. I don't see a market that is moving in my favor. So I'm gonna have to call it a day. Alright, guys. I won't waste any more of your time. I'm gonna head out. Have some lovely red folder tomorrow, Friday. Hopefully it works out. But again, always nice having you guys on. Salva is built different and always taking those debs. Go get you some Mickey D's extra hash. Alright, I'll treat myself, Rudy. I got you. I'll get the extra hash for you. Alright, guys. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace, peace, peace. Y'all have a good one.